St. Lawrence. St. Lawrence type of climate. St. Lawrence type of climate that found in 40 degree north to 60 degree north. 40 to 60. 40 to 60 degree north. Yeah, it is a 40 degree north to 60 degree north. That is what found? St. Lawrence climate found at St. Lawrence. Lawrence type of climate found. Yes, in the northern hemisphere, that 40 to 60 degree of that is of a long. What's the latitude that they will found? It is found in the continents like that is the North Americas, Asia, and the chief area of this climate is in the St. Lawrence basin in the North America. St. Lawrence that found in the North America. Yes, North America here chief there is in Asia also that will found in the map you can see there is, yeah, and that like here that the basin North America's climate and in the northern China's Manchuria, Korea and the northern Japan. This climate is also called that is a Manchurian climate. Manchuria of the China is found in the ridge or the chiefly found there is, therefore it's called the Manchurian climates. And cool oceanic climate also it called. This climate is not experienced at all in the southern hemispheres. यो चाहिँ southern hemisphere मा छैन. त्यसैले यसलाई चाहिँ cool oceanic climate पनि भनिन्छ. Here, why the St. Lawrence climate is called the cool oceanic climate? Because it is not found in the southern hemisphere. It's only found in the northern hemisphere. That's the reason. Experience. Climate of there is a temperature is to that 9 degree Celsius to 7 degree. Yeah. Average temperature ranges of the temperature 9 to 7. It falls down. It starts at 9 to 7 degree Celsius. Summer temperature from 15 to 24 degrees Celsius, and there is a participation throughout the year, precipitation throughout the year, which means that's the average of that the 15 to 24. The beach रहन्छ. And in summer rainfall occurs in the northeast Asia, but not in North Korea and North Japan, and the rainfall which is mainly cyclonic varies from 50 centimeter to 100 cm. Cyclonic rainfall जब कुनै बवन्डर समुद्रमा हो त्यही गएर के हुन्छ त्यतातिर जान्छ अनि rainfall हुन्छ. Otherwise there is no rainfall there. So it is average at the 50 to 100 centimeter. Vegetation of this climate is there are the mixed type of forest there is. Mixed type of forest, of course, that is at higher altitudes, coniferous forests are found. The main coniferous trees found there are the spruce and the pine. At the lower latitudes, there are the deciduous forest. Among the animals found there is a bears, fox, and beavers and squirrels. It's not the carnivores and large animals are found there because it's a cold climate. Furry animals that found there is. Right? So there is a two types at the higher altitudes and the lower at the bottoms. The spruce and the pine, two types of plant is found there is. And animals, bears, foxes, and beavers. Beaver, you know? How like?
Like squirrel and
Yeah.
tail is big.
Bigger, yeah, beavers. It's like anteater. Beaver also. Very dangerous. Very dangerous. Once I saw that is our